Hi, I'm Beth from the Paper Mill Lounge. Many people in small towns, I think, feel uncomfortable at some of the local bars. They simply avoid going out because of it. So at the Paper Mill, we focus on providing a comfortable, clean, and inviting environment inclusive to all. We offer a safe, fun place to unwind, have a blast, and be yourself. We've considered every detail of the lounge's environment in order to fully service the needs of our ideal customers. Our bartenders and staff are there to provide the best and most consistent service in the area. Our handcrafted cocktails are unique and made of top quality ingredients. We provide a safe, harassment free experience for our customers. Our venue is clean and designed with comfort in mind. So come by and give us the opportunity to earn your loyalty and trust as we strive to provide you with a safe haven to be yourself. Thank you.